of the most popular programming language. Today we are going to install Python and code a program to set a smart goal. Python is an open source language. That means we can download it from python.org for free. Wait a second. How about a larger one, Anaconda? I prefer Anaconda distribution because in addition to Python, it includes Anaconda Navigator, an easy to use graphical user interface. Conda, a package and environment manager, several libraries and applications including Spyder IDE, the environment that we are going to be using. Let's download from anaconda.com website. Click the download option that matches with your operating system. I'm downloading it for Windows. Follow the instruction. Add to path is not recommended. Let's leave it unchecked. Click install and wait for a few minutes. Click next. Again. Finish. Installation is complete now. Next step is to open the graphical user interface, Anaconda Navigator. Type Anaconda Navigator in the Windows search bar. Click open. We will be using Spyder IDE for coding Python. It is an integrated development environment written in Python for Python. It comes pre-installed with Anaconda distribution. Let's launch it. We see three windows here. The left one is the editor where we can code programs. The bottom right one is the IPython console to run the program. The version of Python that we are running is Python 3.9.7. Usually the versions are backward compatible, but remember Python 3 is not compatible with Python 2. The third window is the variable explorer. We can also view help, display plot and explore files here. Let's change the screen to white background and make the text bigger so that it's easy to read. Accept to restart. Now we are going to code our first program. Let's develop one that prints the smart goal. We see an automatically generated documentation inside the triple quotes. It is called docstrings. We can use it for documentation purpose. Before coding, the question that we should ask is, what is the requirement? To code and run a program that guides to set a smart goal. Let's document the requirements in the docstrings. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Under specific, the question that we should ask is, what is your goal? Measurable is about how to quantify. What is the criteria? Is the goal achievable? Type either yes or no. Is the goal relevant? Why do you want to set this goal? How long does it take to achieve the goal? The next one is decision making. If the goal is achievable, print my goal is ... Else, print hi there. Please reconsider the goal and try again. Now we have written the requirement. Next step is to translate the requirements to the language that Python can understand. Let's copy the requirement and paste them. Believe me, Python syntaxes are easy to learn. Let's start with the hash symbol. Python will ignore the line that starts with the hash symbol. Adding a hash transforms the line to a comment. The next item is variable. A variable is created the moment we first assign a value to it. Let's assign a specific as a variable and obtain an input from a user for the question, what is your goal? The answer to the question is assigned as a variable specific. Let us not go in detail about the syntax or rules now. We will learn them in the upcoming videos. Following the same step, let us set variable to collect answers for the remaining questions. Now inputs are obtained. Next one is the decision-making process. If the achievable variable is equal to the string yes, then print my goal is. Python allows to add strings together. Let's add specific, to, relevant, by, measurable, in, and time bound. Else, print hi there, please reconsider the goal and try again. The decision-making block not only makes the decision but also prints the results. Our first program is ready. Let's run it. It's working. What is your goal? To teach Python. What is the criteria? Releasing more than 12 tutorials. Is the goal achievable? Yes. Why do you want to set this goal? Develop machine learning projects. How long does it take to achieve the goal? 6 months. The SMART goal is ready now. My goal is to teach Python to develop machine learning projects by releasing more than 12 tutorials in 6 months. Thank you. When the goal is written, it is so powerful, everything else fades away. The code is available in the descriptions. Play with the different parameters. Learning is fun.